Okay guys, I wanted to make a review on these Milwaukee M18s. I got this kit, the impact driver, the drill, 2 of these batteries, and then the charger with the bag for $100 at Fleet Farm. That was a phenomenal deal. Now I only got 1 battery up here. I didn't need to bring up 2. I just have these up here for one project I had to do. So, I will say the drill, my only complaint with it is, so I'm going to put this camera down for a minute. When you put the small 1.5 amp battery on the drill and you do any sort of work, this battery drains so ridiculously fast. I mean, I do fabricating and stuff. I can usually get 15 max holes drilled through 1/8 inch plate. You know, but it's really good. You know, you're 2-in-1. You know, you got your drill mode all the way down to setting 1. So, and in between numbers, you know, so there's 16. That's 15 in between. So nice metal chuck. Very nice if you can hear that. So I love these tools. Nice light. They still work. Now I will say one thing. This drill, I've had a warranty. I was drilling some metal, and well, the collar on the end here chipped. It didn't break. It still drilled holes just fine. I finished out the day, but I sent it to I went to my nearest Milwaukee dealer. They just contacted Milwaukee, and they gave me a brand new drill. So I haven't used it a lot yet. This one, because I just got a warranty not that long ago. So yeah. Now, impact driver. This impact driver I will use every day. I will use this for a 3/8 impact and a 1/2 inch. Now you can use it for a 1/4 inch, but there's too much power. I have snapped too many bolts in 1/4 inch with this impact. Now this, never broken it. Okay, never broken it. You can see it's all beat up. I love this tool. Same thing. Light works good still. This thing does not drain battery very much at all, like the drill does. The drill just goes through batteries like it's nothing. Now, the 1/4 inch driver on here. This accepts almost every 1/4 inch bit I've ever had, except for one, and that would be the 1/2 inch adapter. It just does not fit in there for whatever reason. It just won't log in. So, but I love these tools. Here's the number for the impact driver. And here the number for the drill. So, yeah. Otherwise, there have been no complaints really from me on them. And I have personally dropped this impact driver off ladders and off my toolbox so many times, and it just keeps working. I love this tool. So, thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video.